Hey, I hope everybody's having a great day out there. It's Ron Newsbaum, founder of BuilderComs. I want to jump on here real quick and go over how to change the status of a job. So let's load these projects. Let's jump in this test one. And right up here in the right-hand corner, you'll see update status. When we click on that, it gives us the ability to turn it into requested, current, completed, or canceled. So if I hit completed and I confirm this, this project now moves to the completed projects. Now you still have access to that by coming right in here, and you can see it. I can bring this project back up in here. So I still have a record of everything that's happened on this project. It's just now completed. So once again, when we were in our projects, update status, we can move a project anywhere where it needs to be moved to. Like I said, you can even remove it and create this as a requested project. I think I jumped out of there too quick. Requested, confirm that. Now, when I go to my dashboard, this shows up as a requested project. Now, if I go back into that project, I can convert it into a project. And once I convert it in there, I can do all kinds of different things with it. So that's real quickly how you change a project status in BuilderComs. As always, if you need anything, reach out to us. You can fill out our contact form at buildercoms.com. You can email us at teams@buildercoms.com, but we are more than happy to help you with any questions that you have. That's what we're here for. Have a great day.